The very next morning, something remarkable happened. Families who had abandoned their gardens picked up their tools once more. Grandparents became teachers once again. Old family recipes returned to the kitchen. Even the children began enjoying foods they once ignored. Week after week, the gardens became greener. Without realizing it, people stopped buying so many processed foods. The village was changing, not only in health, but in spirit. People began to notice they felt stronger and more energetic. The village had become green once again. Soon, the first harvest arrived. The village celebrated together. No one ate alone. The next generation learned where real food comes from. Maya quietly watched everything unfold. Even Elder Kofi smiled, knowing the village had remembered its roots. Soon, visitors came to learn the village's secret. They all asked the same question. What changed? The answer had always been growing around them.
Healthy living became a way of life once again. Sometimes the greatest changes begin with the smallest choices. Nature had never stopped providing. The village hadn't discovered something new, they simply remembered what had always been there. Perhaps the next village to rediscover healthy eating could be ours. Thank you for watching GRADEMID Nature's Table, where every story inspires healthier living through the wisdom of nature. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next inspiring health story. Together, let's build healthier families, one story at a time.